Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Remember I told you guys, I'm like this pattern is moving is the momentum is too strong on Bitcoin to not start buying it. So I did call out Bitcoin around this area, and then my Algo actually called it November 6th to buy, which was around the 14K, the bottom before the lift off. But I told you guys, man, around this level, like I'm like, this is looking too strong. It's not gonna go down. You're guys gonna see that big jump. It's already past $18,000, and I do think that, it's gonna keep going up. Like I don't think it's gonna stop. It already passed the former 16K resistance, and then I think it's headed to 19,000. I think we are gonna to retest all time highs. I do think that's where we're headed. Um, We'll see. I can do an algo update on Bitcoin for this because my algo is up to now. It's been like 99% right on Bitcoin. So I'll do an update later to see if it's given any more stuff, any new signals and everything. But I mean, we talked about Bitcoin right here, and I said, you know what? We're headed straight to new all time highs.